Changing the winch cable on your vertical boat lift. For viewing purposes, we have the lift raised up, and then we have the opposite side tied off with the safety strap, just so that we can view it with the camera so you can see how everything slides together. The cable attaches to the winch drum, and then the cable comes down through the guide pulley, and then it would go on the bottom side of the pulley in the cross tube. The cable slides in the upright, washer, and then a nut. And then the cable is locked into position with the second nut. Now that we've changed the cable, we need to make sure that the bed is level to the lift. What I like to do is lower the bed all the way down and then crank the bed up just enough to this gives a little bit of tension on the winch cable. And then I will go around to all the cables on the lift and tighten them to the same tension by adjusting the nut on the top. And then once I set that height, the second nut is used as a jam nut to hold that cable position.